Hey friends, be here with Whimsy stamps, and today we're gonna be making a shaker card. It's been quite a while since we make one, and today we're gonna be making that. We're gonna be using this amazing paper. This is one of my favorite Christmas paper or winter papers from Whimsy. I adore this paper. It's called Dickens, and it has the most gorgeous scenes for you to create. Then we're going to be using these stamps, which I think is so cute, and this one is the Jolly Puppy Kisses, and then these die, gorgeous die. And if you want to make a shaker card, this part here is fantastic for that. And this is the fantasy frame die set. Let's go ahead and make a card. Okay, so this is the paper that I have chosen from the Dickens paper pack, and I want to center my door because I don't know yet if I am gonna use. I'm probably gonna use this one right here. He's right in front of the house. I'm gonna put him right here. Maybe we're gonna stamp some of those words and put them as part of our confetti mix as well. I think it looks so cute when you use parts of your stamp set as part of the confetti mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and run this through my die cutting machine, come back to show you. So for my card base, I have chosen this bright blue, and then I'm all just gonna align this where I want it and glue down that middle part. So here I have my shaker window already built, and I'm gonna set that aside for a moment, and we're gonna be making our own sequin mix. So I have these little Santas from my stash. Don't ask me where I got them. I have no idea. Maybe they were gifted to me. I don't know. And then I have these sprinkles here. They look like candy, I guess. I love them. I put them all in, and then I have this white iridescent one that I really like as well, and I'm gonna mix all these together. I like my shakers to be really packed with confetti. I think they are so much fun. From my stamp set, the words jolly, joy, and ho, I am going to stamp to put part of my mix. I have also colored my Santa with the doggy. How cute is this? And I wanted to show you the marker that I use for the puffy parts here. It's a snow marker, and you add it to whatever you want to be puffy, and then just heat it up with your heat gun, and you'll have these puffy paint, I guess. And then I added some Wink of Stella to my present. And I have my Merry Christmas sentiment. I am not sure if I'm going to add it to my card because I already have the other words inside my confetti mix, but we will see at the end. Here is my confetti mix, and I am going to set aside my words because I want to put them on top of the confetti mix. And I am going to be confident here and add all my mix. I was not gonna add it all. I was like, maybe it's too much, but then I was like, let's go for it and let's add the whole thing because I really want it to look festive and packed of that confetti. And then I'm gonna grab here my words, the sentiments, the jolly, the joy, and I added the ho 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 together to make less words and not so many little papers on top of these. And I'm gonna add it on top of that confetti, and then at the window. is how it looks like. Sometimes you have to give it a little push to those shaker beads because they get stuck. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add double-sided, no, I'm lying, not double-sided tape, foam tape to the back of my image and my sentiment. And here's how my card turned out. I absolutely love it, and I hope you do too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.